The following segment is sponsored by Dr. Lampee.
Welcome back to Afternoon Live. When it comes to dental implants, experience makes all the difference. Here to share how his Teeth in 24 procedure is changing lives, we welcome back Dr. Heath Lampee. It's so great to see you.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Appreciate it.
I still think of Teeth in 24 as a pretty incredible concept, but you've been doing it for a while now, right?
Almost 20 years, actually.
That's amazing.
And I started when I was 25, if you can believe it. And the evolution of how we do all this has been incredible. The fact that we can have a patient in at 7 a.m., get them sedated, they're sleeping, get all their dental work done while they're sleeping, and they can basically that day get a new smile. It still blows my mind, actually.
Really? And you've got such a well-oiled machine, too, because this is something that does take kind of a village to pull off successfully every time.
Yes, I like to equate it to a symphony. We are well orchestrated. We've been playing together for 15 to 20 years, and we know each other's movements and all that. Now, if you were to go to a symphony and two people didn't practice, it sounds terrible.
Yikes.
Nothing works.
Yeah.
So you come to me for the symphony, and that's what's happening. And your new smile is going to be so beautiful. I have patients tell me every day that this is the best thing they've ever done in their life, and why did they wait 10 or 20 years, and why did they hide their smile for so long? Because they can finally be themselves again.
Yeah. It can be really emotional, but it's never too late to make that choice for yourself.
Correct. I mean, I've got patients where I do this at age 19, 20. I do it at 79, 80, even older than that. I've got patients in their late 80s.
Yeah.
And so when you can smile, when you can actually show who you really are, because so many patients, they hide their smile, they don't want to be social, and then they can't eat what they want. I mean, if you can't enjoy life, what is the point? And so I'm finding that my patients are feeling younger and younger, smiling bigger and bigger. Their health is better. And that this is one of those things that, like, it has changed their life. I had a patient just 2 weeks ago tell me, Dr. Lampee, you saved my life. He had had such bad teeth for so long, and then he had dentures that did not fit. He thought about committing suicide. He thought his life. So this guy was 53 years old, and I watched him in 6 months totally change in front of me. And at the end of that, when he got his final smile, Dr. Lampee, you changed me. You saved my life.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Let's talk about another special story of a patient named Terry.
Terry, yes.
What? Oh, Terry. Tell me about what she was dealing with.
Terry's about to retire. She's worked hard her whole life. She's a new grandmother, and she's very extroverted. She loves to smile, but her teeth are falling apart. And when she came in, we realized that we couldn't save her teeth. There are some patients, when they come in, I can save their teeth. We can do new crowns, veneers, resurface them all. We can do that in a day as well. But for Terry, the teeth were too far gone. Too much gum disease, too many cavities, too many broken and missing teeth. So in one day, we took the teeth out. We put implants on the top and bottom jaws. Implants are the new foundation for the new teeth. So that will take me about 3.5 hours.
Okay.
And then at about 3 p.m. that day, she got her brand new permanent smile.
Wow.
The color of her choosing, straight, white, feminine teeth. Now, we don't create these big horse chiclet teeth.
Right.
And a lot of my patients, they always tell me, when they do research on the internet, they see these people that got these ugly teeth. And I'm like, we are going to give you teeth that fit your face, that are the appropriate whiteness. I mean, I have some patients that want Vegas white teeth, sure, and I can do that.
That's okay.
But a lot of
Something
people,
for everybody.
You know, they just want a nice white. And so, because really, like, you want someone when they look at you to be like, wow, you just have a nice smile.
Yeah.
You know, and that's the subtlety of that. And that's where our experience, me being an implant specialist, comes along. There's not a lot of people with our skills in this symphony that we create.
And you can see the look on her face, how much joy she has, and the freedom to just totally smile. It probably takes a couple of days for them to really feel like they can open their mouth like that again.
It takes them sometimes a month or two, actually. And then she wanted to be able to smile in front of her granddaughter, not with broken teeth, not like a jack-o'-lantern. And so that's so big for her. And, you know, I got to watch her eat her first apple in 20 years.
Oh, wow.
And, like, to see these sort of things. And I'm like, yes, have the confidence. You can do it.
The simplest joys of life make such a big difference.
Uh-huh.
Thank you so much for sharing with us today. Great to see you.
Appreciate it.
Okay, we all have more information about Dr. Lampee. You can give him a call at 503-646-2273 or head to our website at katu.com/AFL. We'll be right back with more Afternoon Live right after this.